Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning everything in mathematics which makes you smarter. In this video, I am going to take up an important topic of length and area unit conversions. Now, unit conversions are something where most of the students falter, especially at school level. If you don't understand this topic, I'm sure the future topics are going to create trouble for you. So you need to understand how the unit of length and the unit of area are to be interconverted. So that is the intention of bringing up this important video for all my dear students. Let me tell you about the Learning Loop app before I take up the questions based on the unit conversions. This is the logo of the app. We have already launched it on the Google Play Store. Download it from here, the description box. The link is given there. Click it and download it. I'm sure you are going to find huge content on that. Very nominal costing, validity based ebooks in terms of the short trick ebooks, the worksheets, the CBC worksheets, test series, free videos also, a lot of free videos you can watch on the app itself. So go for it, Learning Loop app. Let's see what questions we have now. First question is how to convert kilometers to centimeters. See, it's a mixed number here. So 1 3 by 5 you all know is 5 plus 3 8. So 8 by 5 kilometers. Now when we have to convert kilometers to meters, kilometer is a big unit, and when we have to convert that into meters, kilo means 1000. So 8 upon 5, if you multiply that by 1000, you get your answer in meters. So what is the answer here? 5 cancels this 200 times. So this is actually 1600 meters. And now I want to convert that into centimeters. Wherever you have meter being converted to centimeters, you have 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And therefore, this 1600 is to be multiplied by 100 to get to the answer in centimeters. So 1600 into 100 will give you 16 followed by 4 zeros. This is the number of centimeters in 1 3 by 5 kilometers. This is the first type of conversion which you need to understand. This is the conversion of the unit of length. There was a big unit, kilometers. So we were trying to convert that into centimeters. So when you convert a big unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply. The factor which you have to use is a multiplying factor. Likewise, if you see here, kilometer square, kilometer is bigger than centimeter. So kilometer square, this is the unit of area, will obviously be larger than centimeter square. But do you use the same type of conversion when you use the area units? No. Kilometer square, see this number, this quantity here is 41 upon how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 followed by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros. These many kilometer squares, right? What do you mean by kilometer square? This much time, kilometer times 1 kilometer. Now this is what you mean by kilometer square. So whatever is this number, that many kilometers times 1 kilometer. And now when you have to convert that into centimeters, you should know in 1 kilometer how many centimeters are there. So I told you here, if you convert kilometer to meter, you have 1000, and if you convert meter to centimeter, you have 100. So what is the multiplier? When you convert kilometer to centimeter, it is 1 followed by 3 4 5 zeros. And therefore this 41 upon 1 followed by 7 zeros will be multiplied by 1 followed by 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. This converts this one, and then times this 1 kilometer is again 1 followed by how many? 5 zeros. So how many zeros now you can cancel out? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what is the answer? Here you have 41 and here you have 3 zeros. So 41 followed by 3 zeros centimeters square will be your answer for this particular conversion. See, this multiplier 1 kilometer is really important because this is kilometer square, which means kilometer times kilometer. and therefore you have to convert this kilometer also and then this kilometer also into centimeters to get your answer in centimeter square. Very, very important and very, very frequently used conversions. Let's see some more questions. Here you have to compare this by putting less than, greater than or equal to sign. So we should know what is HA. HA is hectare. Hectare is the unit of area, and square meters, it is again the unit of area. So if you know that in 1 hectare how many square meters are there, then this question will be easy for you. You should know that there are 10,000 square meters in 1 hectare, and therefore in 1.87 hectares you will have 1.87 times 1 followed by 4 zeros, these many meter squares. And how do you multiply this? These are 4 zeros, right? So 87 is only 2 digits, so 187 followed by 2 zeros, square meters. This is the answer for the conversion of 1.87 hectares to square meters. Now I have converted this, so I got this value. So which one is greater? Is this greater or is this greater? Now obviously 18,700 is greater than this, and therefore 1.87 hectare is greater, so you will have this greater than sign here. Let's see another one. Raghav has this much length rope and Ganesh has 420 centimeter long rope. So we want to compare these two and find out who has the longer rope and by how much. So we have Raghav and we have Ganesh. Raghav has 0.48 meters and Ganesh has 420 centimeters. So it is just that you can't compare quantities when the units are different. So you have to convert them into the same unit. Meter is a bigger unit, centimeter is a smaller unit. So either you can convert meter to centimeter, which is easier. Convert centimeter to meters will involve division, which I don't want there. So if you multiply this by 100, you will get 48 centimeters, right? So 0.48 meters is just 48 centimeters. So who has the longer rope? Ganesh has the longer rope, and by how much? It is the difference of 420 and 48. So Ganesh has a longer rope by, this is 372 centimeter length. Easy, no? Right? If you understand, everything is easy. So these are the videos which form a very, very strong base for all the topics. So I hope you have already acquired the complete worksheet sets of class 6, 7, 8. If you are preparing for any placement exam, that's going to be very, very useful for all of you. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends on various social media platforms. Do subscribe this channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications. Look for more such interesting and absorbing videos on this channel. Thanks for watching this and all the best.